Hey, what's up, entrepreneurs? Ready to turn your creativity into cash? Today we're diving into a question I hear a lot. How to get started on Etsy and what should I sell? Whether you're a complete newbie or a craft master, this video is packed with tips to help you launch a successful Etsy shop and start making money in 2024. Trust me, this is the year to jump in and I will show you exactly how. All right, let's break it down step by step. You can get started on Etsy today. It's simpler than you think. All right, step one is sign up and create your Etsy shop. Head on over to etsy.com, sign up and click sell on Etsy. Pick a shop name that's creative, memorable, and speaks to your brand. Don't overthink it. Make it relevant to your selling. Number two is optimize your shop details. Your shop bio and profile picture are your chances to connect with buyers. Tell your story, who you are, why you love what you do, and why your products are special. Buyers love a personal touch. Now, talk about what you can sell. This is where Etsy shines because the possibilities are endless. Here are some top categories that thrive on Etsy. Handmade goods, jewelry, candles, clothing, home decor, you name it. Etsy is all about unique handmade items. The secret, focus on a niche that makes your products stand out. Number two, digital products. Not into crafting? That's no problem. Digital products like printable artwork, planners, and templates are a huge hit. The best part of this is create it once and it sells repeatedly with zero inventory management. Number three is vintage items. Love thrifting. Vintage goods over 20 years old like clothes, furniture, and collectibles sell like hotcakes on Etsy. Craft supplies. Supplying other creators with fabric, beads, yarn, or digital design elements is a great way to tap into Etsy's craft community. Once you've chosen your product, it's time to create a killer listing that grabs buyers' attention. And here's the formula for a winning Etsy listing. Number one, use SEO-friendly keywords that clearly describe what your product is. Don't get cute, just get found. Two is high-quality photos are essential. Show your product from multiple angles. Don't forget the close-ups either. And number three is description. Tell the story behind your product, how it was made, what makes it special. Include important details like size, color, and materials. And number four, pricing. Check what your competitors are charging and price them fairly. But don't forget to factor in your time and materials. Number five is tags. Etsy gives you 13 tags to use. Use all of them. These keywords help your product get discovered on search. And there you have it. Selling your Etsy shop is easier than you think with the right approach. You can turn your passion into profitable business. If you're ready to dive into the world of Etsy, there's no better time than right now. If this video gave you a push you needed, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tips on building your online business, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of Etsy shop you're considering starting. I can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, happy selling. This is Scott. Peace out.